this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to change the document template here on Google Docs. So as you can tell, my template is very normal. If you want to change this, there's 4 different options right here. Go ahead and select templates right here. It'll then open up this screen where you can go ahead and select a template. So for example, if you want to use a business proposal template, you can go ahead and do that. There's a bunch of different other ones right here. But let's say, for example, you wanted to use this one. You can go ahead and press it. You can also see what it looks like. Then go ahead and press Insert. And now you've changed the document right here in regards to the template, which is really cool. And if you want to go ahead and change it back, you can obviously go ahead and press Command Z, and you can kind of undo it that way. And you can basically play around with it this way in regards to going to templates and just figuring out this way, selecting one and going from there. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to change the document template on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.